Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to make your text pop with a neon glow in Canva? I'll show you how. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size. For this demonstration, enter 300 by 300 pixels as the dimensions, and confirm to proceed. Go to the Elements tab, select the image you want, then drag and drop it onto your design area to add it. Set this image as the background. Next, add your text by clicking Add a Header from the options to insert your heading. Type Deserted City. To add a neon effect to your text, select the text. Then, choose the neon effect from the available text styles or effects menu to apply the neon look to your chosen text. Click on Effect, then go to the Effects section. Select Neon from the list. Here, you can also adjust the intensity by moving the slider to your desired level. Close the window to see the result. The text now displays with a neon effect, as shown here. This is how your neon-styled text should appear on screen. Click the Share button, then select Download to save your file. This will export your project, allowing you to access it on your device. If you have a Canva Premium account, you can also increase the size of your design by adjusting the dimensions in the settings. Select Download to save your file, or choose PDF Print for optimal print quality. Both options ensure your document is preserved accurately and professionally. You just learned how to make a glowing neon effect in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.